Let's discuss about composite pattern. The composite pattern is a structural design pattern that allows you to compose objects into tree-like structures and represent them as a single object. It treats both individual objects and compositions of objects uniformly, allowing you to work with hierarchical structures in a uniform way. The composite pattern belongs to the category of structural design patterns. These patterns deal with the composition of classes and objects to form larger structures. We use the composite pattern when we need to represent part-whole hierarchies or tree-like structures. It allows us to treat individual objects and compositions of objects uniformly, making it easier to work with hierarchical structures. This pattern also simplifies the addition and removal of elements in the structure. Let's now look at a code example in TypeScript to understand the composite pattern better. Let's break down the TypeScript code step by step. This is an interface financial instrument that defines a contract for all financial instruments. It has a single method calculateValue, which calculates the value of the financial instrument. This interface serves as the component in the composite pattern. Stock is a concrete class that implements the financial instrument interface. It represents an individual financial instrument, in this case, a stock. It has a constructor that takes a name and a price for the stock. The calculateValue method returns the price of the stock, which is its value. In this example, we're assuming that the price represents the value of the stock. Portfolio is another concrete class that implements the financial instrument interface. It represents a composite financial instrument, which can contain other financial instruments, either individual stocks or other portfolios. It has an array instruments to hold the financial instruments it contains. The addInstrument method allows you to add individual financial instruments or other portfolios to the current portfolio. The calculateValue method calculates the total value of the portfolio by iterating through its constituent instruments and summing their values. In this section, we create individual stock instances for companies like Apple and Microsoft, as well as another individual stock for Google. We also create two portfolio instances, Tech Portfolio and Full Portfolio. We add individual stocks to Tech Portfolio, effectively creating a portfolio of tech stocks. Then, we add Tech Portfolio and the Google stock to Full Portfolio, forming a higher-level portfolio containing both tech stocks and another individual stock. Finally, we calculate the total value of the full portfolio by calling its calculateValue method. We log the result to the console, displaying the total value of the entire portfolio, which includes both individual stocks and portfolios of stocks. In summary, this code demonstrates how the composite pattern can be used to model financial instruments and portfolios in a hierarchical structure, allowing you to calculate the total value of a portfolio that contains stocks and other portfolios. It provides a clear separation between individual financial instruments and composite financial structures while treating them uniformly through the financial instrument interface.